Hello everyone. Today we're looking at a famous problem, which is to sum. So basically, the goal of the problem is to find given numbers array and target, to find two numbers in this array which sum up to the target. Okay, so if target 13 in our case, two numbers of this array that sum up to 13 are 5 and 8. Okay, now I'll show you how to solve this. So okay, basically first let's define class to show that we know object-oriented programming. Okay, def to sum self nums target. For now just return none. Okay, and let's execute it. Nums target. Okay, so now it should return now. None. Yeah, none. Okay, so let's make it work. So to make it linear time complexity, we need to basically calculate through each element of this array, and to keep calculating the difference current target and current element. And while iterating, we keep our state updated, which can be hash map, and we check if the difference in this state, if it is in the state, we found the solution. So basically hash map, define it, and for I in range length of this array, basically calculate x, which is target minus current element of array, and if x in hash map, we just return okay, I did a typo. Okay, if x in hash map, we return x and current element of array. Else we just keep populating their hash map. Okay, and that's it. This should already work. Yeah, it returns 5 and 8 as expected. Now let's inspect how it works internally with whole state. So we can use Python tutor for this. Let's execute it. Okay, some breakpoint here. So basically here you see initially we define empty hash map, empty dictionary, and we enter the loop. So for each element, now the first element is 1. We calculate difference target minus 1, which is 12. Does it exist in hash map? No, it doesn't, because hash map is empty now. So we just skip, and we save the current element, which is 1, in a hash map. Okay, you see in dictionary it is 1 now. Okay, now the next element, which is 15. So target is 13. 13 minus 15 is what? Is minus 2. So does it exist in a hash map? No, in hash map exists only 1. Okay, so just skip, and we save the current number, which is 15, in a hash map. So you see in hash map now is 1 and this is 15. So two numbers in the hash map. Okay, then the third element of the array, the third number is 5. And basically we do the calculation 13 minus 5, which is what? 8. Well, 8 exists in the array, but it doesn't exist yet in hash map. So, well, it doesn't exist. We are not ready to return result. But we can populate hash map with a 5, which is current number. Okay, and the last iteration. Okay, basically 13 minus 8. The result is 5. Do we have it in the hash map? Yes, we have 5. So we can just return the result already. Okay, the result is 5, 8. So basically, the space complexity of these is so basically the space complexity of this solution is big O n, because you need to store n elements and numbers in the hash map, and the time complexity is big O n, because you need to iterate over each number in the array. Okay, so we can write here time big O n and space big O n. Okay, that's it. Thank you. See you the next time.